The ferocity of the 2004 Aceh tsunami destroyed most of the buildings on the coast of Banda Aceh and changed the faces of many cities in Aceh. The relocation of a floating power plant from the sea to the middle of a residential area in Punge Blang Cut is one example of nature's power. The tsunami waves were so powerful that they carried a 26,000-ton ship 2.4 kilometers inland that day. Currently, the floating diesel power plant has been converted as a museum that provides information about the ship's journey, tsunami information, and the process of the 2004 Aceh tsunami. The existence of this electric generator museum has driven the economy of the Punge Blang Cut community, which has resulted in the creation of souvenir stores and snack shops for visitors, which reaches 1,000 people per day. Donations from these visitors are also used to build a mosque in Punge village and promote religious activities in it. Punge Blang Cut village residents engage in a variety of small and medium businesses, one of which is the manufacture of ballast for nets, which are marketed to fishermen in Banda Aceh and Aceh Desa. For tourists who want to stay, there are also several clean and comfortable homestays with affordable prices. Come to our village and see how we rise from adversity to be one of the fine tourism villages in Aceh.